Why is Europe's recycling system on the edge of collapse? Why are the companies that are supposed to turn our waste into new materials now warning they cannot survive? Imagine a world where the plastic we carefully sort for recycling ends up piled in warehouses or shipped abroad because there is no one left to process it. That's the reality Europe may face right now. Plastic recyclers across the EU are sounding the alarm. They say their industry is in crisis, struggling with high costs, cheap virgin plastic undercutting prices, and a lack of stable demand for recycled material. Without urgent action, they warn, the facilities will shut down and mountains of plastic waste will go unmanaged. But why should anyone outside the plastics industry care? Because this is not only about bottles, bags, and packaging. This story reveals a deeper weakness in the entire circular economy. What happens when recycling systems fail? Does all our effort sorting waste become meaningless? The truth is, yes. If recyclers cannot afford to operate, materials end up burned, buried, or exported. And the same fragile economics can be seen in another growing waste stream: electronics. Think about laptops, phones, and consoles. They are packed with metals, plastics, and rare elements. In theory, recycling should recover those resources. In practice, the costs are high, the markets unstable, and the profits uncertain. Just like plastic, e-waste recycling often relies on subsidies or export routes that can disappear overnight. So what happens when recycling is too weak to cope? The answer is not to give up. It is to move the focus further up the chain. Reuse, repair, and refurbish. These are the real drivers of sustainability. Every time a product is given a second life, the pressure on the recycling systems is reduced. Every time a device is repaired instead of scrapped, fewer resources are wasted and fewer emissions are created. Recycling still matters, but it should be the last step, not the first hope. The warning from plastic recyclers is not just about one sector. It is a signal that our waste systems are fragile and that the dream of a circular economy needs stronger foundations. Next time you hear about recycling targets or new green policies, ask the bigger question: are we building systems that actually work, or are we patching holes until the next collapse? If you found this breakdown useful, let me know in the comments and share your thoughts on how to fix these broken systems. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch the next deep dive. Thank you.